Exposing the secret to earning cash with your content? It's easier than you think. User-generated content, or UGC, is a goldmine just waiting for you. Big brands love authentic content from real people, like you. And guess what? They're willing to pay for it. First tip, pick a niche you're passionate about. Love cooking? Share your mouth-watering recipes. Into fitness? Post your workout routines. Your enthusiasm will shine through, and brands will take notice. Second tip, quality over quantity. You don't need a fancy camera. Your smartphone will do just fine. Focus on good lighting and clear audio for a professional touch. Here's an example. Sarah, a dog lover, started sharing cute videos of her pup on Instagram. Soon, a pet food company reached out and paid her to feature their products in her videos. Now she's earning money doing what she loves. Third tip, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask questions, and create polls. The more interaction, the more valuable your content becomes. Last tip, network. Connect with other creators and collaborate. Shared audiences mean more exposure and more opportunities. So grab your phone, start creating, and turn your passion into profit. Ready to dive into the world of UGC? Let's get started. Remember, the sky's the limit. Happy creating.